got a chance to check out Temecula Valley wineries in Southern California's version of wine country. I never knew this place existed, and it reminded me so much of Napa County's wine country. What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. BCS back at it again. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. The first winery I stopped at was called Mountain Winery. It's autism friendly. If you have kids, kid friendly. The staff were really nice and really accommodating. The open areas, the clean bathrooms, and the accommodating staff made it comfortable for those who had special needs kids. Overall, it was a great winery to go to. Highly recommended for parents who have kids on the spectrum or parents in general. The cave tour was awesome. Lots of barrels of wine. I was able to reserve a table and sit down and eat with my family. Reasonably priced. Open fields, clean bathrooms, just a great place all around. Definitely recommend you coming out with your family or alone to Mountain Winery. Great place to be. And the cave tour is awesome, and the wine obviously is tasty. Great tour. Stop number 2 was Chiron Winery in Temecula. I'm not even gonna front on this particular winery. I used a Groupon. With the Groupon, we got one of these little glasses that you see here. I recommend too that you go during the middle of the week, because during the weekends is when they're the busiest, and so you're gonna have an influx of people coming. Great views, great place to be, highly recommended. Again, weekdays is preferable for me, but it could be something different from you. If you go on the weekends, just know it's gonna be a lot of traffic as far as freeways. Other than that, it's a great place to go. Highly recommended. Look on Living Social and Groupons to get those discounts. Let me know what you think. Comment below, subscribe now, and smash that like button.
Blunt concepts and solutions. Solutions that meet the moment.